Hello everyone, welcome back to another the algoTrader video. Today we will be discussing about journey from a beginner to algoTrader. How long will it take for the transition to take place? What all are the milestones need to overcome? Come on, let's start. First I started with simply nothing. I thought I will be the next trader billionaire. I had already gone through a ton of YouTube videos. Every day I choose few stocks that are familiar to me. At 9:15 I do round robin on each stock whether any breakouts or doji candles are appearing. But after a couple of minutes suddenly I feel I have found something in the chart and proceed to trade. I was really addicted to trading that time. Most of the time price goes against my trade and I lose. Now I really feel guilty about that. I thought having knowledge of candle pattern is the key to success. I continued few months in this stage. That was actually a trial for rest of the adventure. The second stage is the use of alert from broker, so I could simultaneously watch multiple stocks. Also did few preparation every day night for next day. And used to take note of resistance and support level in notepad which is later used to create alerts in broker's site. Due to some reason often I miss these alerts or due to boredom or FOMO. Sometimes I wouldn't follow the strategy. In meantime I started to learn more about candle patterns, single candle patterns, multiple candle patterns, chart patterns, multiple time frame analysis. Still I was not able to be profitable. Story goes on. In next stage I started to incorporate indicators into the picture. I have almost tried every indicator. I had watched tons of videos related to indicators. MACD indicator, RSI, moving average, stochastics, CPR. Also customized values of indicator myself. Sometimes it works, sometimes not. I felt everyone in social media is happy except me, the worst feeling ever. I had already fed up with abundance of all these indicators which is not working consistently. Some indicators works in trending markets, some in sideways market, still no progress. Then I learned some extra knowledge in Excel sheet and created some serious strategy based on bhav. Copy of last days. I had even calculated next day's CPR in Excel, and used that for selecting stocks for next day. I decorated it with many fancy colors based on equations. At the last column, if it is green then it will be selected for next day. Every day I used to update my strategy those days. But I still was not consistent. Now it has been more than a year in share market. I found no logic in simply sitting in front of graph whole day for getting little profit. I also had to do my daily wage job. Time is money, I know that. There is no point in giving my valuable time for trading. If we are exchanging our time for money, then it is not profit, it is just an exchange. You are giving your most valuable asset for money. So I decided to create algo trading software. I learned few coding languages, especially Python. And I started coding and implemented my strategy into code. I faced many difficulties, but at the end, I was able to create a software, named algoTrader, which was able to make decision for selecting stocks, placing order, exiting order, cancelling order. That's cool, right? Once our algoTrader, always our algoTrader. From then on my algoTrader is doing all the hard work for me. All strategy updates will be done in algoTrader, so from next day onwards it follow the new strategy. After few months some trading patterns came visible. Without algoTrader I may not be able to reach in those conclusions. Again it takes few more months to reach at a well-refined strategy. That was a milestone in my trading career. Rome was not built in a day. I hope it was a useful video for you. See you in next video. Bye.